Although here it feels like late spring.
Feels like late spring. It was beautiful today.
Really was.
With a lot of sunshine. I saw a lot of people out and about just soaking in this nice weather.
I know. This is one of those times when you kind of wish you had a 3-day weekend because tomorrow's going to be even better, yeah?
Even better, even a few degrees warmer.
Nice.
And the majority of the day we're expecting to stay dry. But this morning, sunrise was at 7:13. Tonight it's setting at 6:39. But next week, on Sunday, March 10th, daylight saving time begins. So at 8:03 will be our new sunrise. The new sunset will be at 7:47 next Sunday again. So again, we're going to spring ahead 1 hour. Well, let's look at what's happening this evening. It's beautiful out there with our sunset. 65 degrees. Winds are out of the south-southeast, 17 miles per hour. So bringing in that warmer air. And also we've seen some gusts about 25 miles per hour. Looking across the area, we are cooling down from those 70s that we reached today. It's 64 in Columbus, 68 in Greencastle, Kokomo, you're at 65. Winds out of the south, and also as clouds continue to increase through the overnight hours, we are going to be close to 25 degrees above average this evening as temperatures going to hold steady into those 50s as we head into the overnight hours. Our early morning lows are going to be in the low to middle 50s. Our average low for this time of year, 29. So it is going to be a relatively mild start at the bus stop tomorrow morning. Temperatures starting off in those low 50s, and we're going to be pushing the 60s by 9 o'clock in the morning. We'll have some cloud cover to start off the day, a few breaks here and there, but it's going to be partly to mostly cloudy. High temperatures warming on up into the middle to upper 70s. The record high for tomorrow, 78, so near record warmth. That record was set back in 1983. So looking at future track 13, as we zoom on in tomorrow afternoon, we'll have it paused at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Maybe an isolated shower, maybe a thunderstorm, but very spotty. Most of us will stay dry through most of tomorrow. Rolling into the overnight hours, 4 o'clock Tuesday morning, that's when that cold front gets a little bit closer to us. That's going to bring us a few for rain and also some thunderstorms as well. That will continue throughout the day on Tuesday as that front moves through our area. Our severe outlook, the risk for severe weather, that's staying out to our west with a level 1 threat through majority of Illinois. Now maybe 1 or 2 of our thunderstorms producing some small hail. Here's our precipitation tracker. We dry out on Wednesday and Thursday, but rolling into Friday, that will be our next chance for rain and a few thunderstorms as well. That could potentially even lead into the beginning of next weekend. So tomorrow, highs in the middle to upper 70s, near record warmth, and then we're going to cool down behind that system. We'll have a high of 64 on Tuesday. Have those umbrellas handy. Into the 50s for the middle of the week, Wednesday and Thursday on that drier side, and then rain returns Friday into Saturday. It will be a cooler for next Sunday.